So today we're installing a quantum fuel system fuel pump. It came with everything you'll need. Got the fuel pump, got this guy, put your little rubber deal on the bottom. You got your hose, slider up here. We already got everything pulled apart. And then make sure to keep this guy. That's just a little boot to keep things snug. Shove this guy on nice and good. He has a couple little barbs in there. Okay, that's all good. The kit did come with 2 O-rings. Figure out which size you need. We're using the smaller one on the Suburban. Make sure to plug it in. It is a direct fit on my vehicle. They have this just in case it is not. That came with the kit. And then make sure to tighten up your hose clamps right here. Don't want to be losing that fuel pressure. You can drop the tank to do this. I cheated and cut the hole. Be careful if you do it. There are videos that show you how to do it. Use a Sawzall, not a grinder or a cutting torch. It is a fuel tank. All right. Alright, make sure your ring is sitting there. Clean it up as best as possible, preferably better than I did. Make sure that grabs on all 3 sides. And then you just take Alright, and then we have our 2 fuel lines. On this one, they are stupid proof. They made them 2 different sizes. If not, make sure that you are connecting your fuel lines the right way. One is pressurized going to the engine, the other one is your return. If it is possible to hook them up backwards on your vehicle, it will not run. Chevy here made them stupid proof. Okay. Do you want those snug also? Check those O-rings in there when you're putting this together. Alright, we got our vent here. We'll make sure to put that guy on. And that's it.